Nope. 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 I'm Jon Allen. Perfect score allows you to do this.
Dude, that's nuts. That's so much faster.
Wow. That makes it so much easier.
Yeah, that is remarkably, I agree with you.
My goodness, this is great. I've never had that before.
That's actually quite easy.
That is easy.
This is Perfect Score 2.0. When I released the original Perfect Score, it changed the way magicians did the Mercury Card Fold. Not only did it help create a perfectly folded card, it made the actions easier, faster, and way more natural every single time. Perfect Score gives you the confidence to do the move without fear of getting caught in any situation. Now, if you're performing an effect where the folded card is on display, then the card you're switching in has to look the same, because if not, it just looks horrible. As an example, if you're performing Paragon 3D, everyone can see it's a perfectly folded card. Now, your Mercury Card Fold must be perfect in order to match it, and Perfect Score quickly and easily gets you there. Even if the card isn't on view, for example with my destination box, a card box, or even a shoe, having a perfectly folded card just looks great. And with Perfect Score 2.0, a card can be prepared quicker and easier than ever before. The template is now a single unit. So this means that you don't even need a table to prepare the card. A single playing card is prepared in seconds. Another bonus is that you now don't need a special scoring tool. You can use the provided push pin, a needle, X-Acto knife, scissor blade, or even a safety pin. Perfect Score 2.0 is designed to score cards into quarters for the Mercury Card Fold and 6 for the one-handed card fold. Many magicians shy away from the Mercury Card Fold because it's difficult to do consistently well. You also need to do 3 unnatural actions underneath the deck, possibly in full view. Using Perfect Score 2.0 changes the way you fold the card, so now there is just one natural action. Revealing a perfectly folded card is desirable. When it's visible the whole time, it's essential. This is Perfect Score 2.0.